Pakistan has voted in favor of the resolution just adopted, extending UNAMA's mandate by 3 months. Pakistan supports UNAMA in promoting peace, security, and stability in Afghanistan, which confronts multiple challenges, particularly the increasing threat of terrorism, human rights violations, narcotics trafficking, and diminishing humanitarian aid. We commend China for its sterling role as penholder and for its sincere efforts to forge consensus by taking on board the concern of all Council members. We welcome the unanimous adoption of this resolution. Mr. President, Pakistan has consistently asserted that the foremost amongst the challenges faced in Afghanistan is the deteriorating security situation and exponential rise in the threat of terrorism emanating from Afghanistan. Elements within the Taliban regime are actively collaborating, let alone providing a permissive environment to several terrorist groups such as the TTP, BLA and Majid Brigade, ISIL-K, Al-Qaeda, and ETIM, operating with impunity inside Afghanistan and responsible for cross-border attacks against Pakistani civilians and law enforcement personnel, targeting critical infrastructure and public places. Through this resolution, the Council has expressed serious concern over the presence of terrorist groups in Afghanistan, which, I quote, continue to constitute a threat to international peace and security, unquote. It has called on the Taliban, I quote, to take active, immediate, demonstrable, and concrete measures to combat terrorism in all its forms and manifestations, wherever and by whomever committed, unquote. Through this resolution, the Council also outlines its expectations to strengthen the safe and secure management of weapons and ammunition to prevent their diversion to terrorist groups. President, as mandated, UNAMA has a responsibility to effectively monitor and analyze the security dynamics across the country that include a better understanding of the illicit economy, supporting efforts to prevent and address the illicit trade and destabilizing accumulation of small arms and light weapons and their diversion in Afghanistan and the region, and supporting efforts to create conditions conducive to the reintegration of refugee population in Afghanistan. We must also remain cautious of disinformation advanced by local Taliban elements who continue to create obstacles for access to UNAMA personnel across the country. At the same time, we hope UNAMA will report objectively about the security developments on ground by taking into account the legitimate security concerns and expectations of Afghanistan's immediate neighbors who are faced with serious threats from Afghan soil. Finally, we hope the next 3 months will allow us to review UNAMA's role in Afghanistan in a manner that will help us achieve the long-term goals of peace and stability in Afghanistan that is at peace with itself and its neighbors.